Ever built a sandcastle only to find it washed away hours later? Or notice the waves creeping up the beach, soaking your towel? The ocean doesn't stay still. It rises and falls in a steady rhythm called the tides. Tides are giant, slow-moving waves caused by forces far out in space. Unlike wind-driven waves, tides are massive bulges of water that move around the Earth, usually twice a day. The water creeps up the shore for about 6 hours, then retreats for the next 6, shaping coastlines and the lives of shore creatures. Imagine squeezing a water balloon. The oceans bulge in a similar way, but the force comes from gravity. Gravity pulls on our planet's oceans, creating high and low tides in a cosmic tug-of-war. This daily rise and fall is a visible sign of the powerful forces connecting Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. You don't need special equipment. Just watch the waterline change, and you're witnessing the universe at work. The tides are a constant reminder of our connection to the cosmos. The main force behind the tides is the Moon. Its gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating a bulge of water, what we call high tide, on the side closest to the Moon. As Earth spins, your coastline passes through this bulge, and the sea rises. But there's a second high tide on the opposite side of the planet, thanks to inertia. The water there wants to keep moving straight as the Earth is pulled away. So, we get 2 high tides and 2 low tides each day. The Moon's gravity is strong enough to move entire oceans, setting the rhythm of life along our shores. As Earth rotates, every coast experiences this cycle, passing through both bulges and the low points in between. The Moon's pull is a powerful, constant force, shaping our world in ways we see every day. It's a celestial dance that's been happening for eons. The next time you see the tide come in, remember, it's the Moon's invisible hand at work. The Sun, though much bigger than the Moon, is farther away, so its effect on tides is less, but still important. When the Sun, Moon, and Earth line up during new and full moons, their gravity combines to create extra strong spring tides. When the Sun and Moon are at right angles, their forces partially cancel out, causing weaker neap tides. The Sun doesn't create tides alone, but it boosts or softens the Moon's work, adding complexity to the ocean's rhythm. By watching the Moon's phases, we can predict when tides will be especially high or low. This teamwork between the Sun and Moon shapes the daily rise and fall of the sea. Even events millions of miles away have a direct impact on our shores. The tides are a cosmic collaboration. When the tide comes in, the ocean swells, covering more of the beach and floating boats that were grounded just hours before. High tide means deeper water in bays. Great for ships, but less sand for beachgoers. Animals adapt. Fish feed in new shallows, and barnacles get a fresh wash. As the tide goes out, the beach expands, revealing tide pools and mudflats. It's the perfect time to explore hidden sea life, starfish, crabs, and more. Low tide is crucial for people harvesting shellfish and for birds feasting on exposed creatures. Boaters must beware of shallow waters. The landscape transforms dramatically, twice a day, thanks to the Moon and Sun. Each tide brings new opportunities and challenges for life along the coast. The shoreline is always changing, shaped by the silent pull of space. Tides aren't just fascinating, they're vital. For centuries, people have relied on tides for navigation, fishing, and even powering mills. Today, tidal power plants generate clean energy, helping fight climate change. Tides mix ocean waters, moving nutrients and heat, supporting marine life and regulating climate. Coastal ecosystems depend on tides for their rich biodiversity. From sea turtles nesting to birds feeding, countless creatures rely on the ebb and flow. The tides are a grand cosmic dance, shaping our world every day. Next time you watch the sea rise or fall, remember, you're witnessing the universe in motion.